Alright, so we're going to try Ole Qawah Clense and see how it lathers up. Ah! Don't drop the soap! Sometimes you gotta wonder. It's not too bad. Lathers up quite nicely. It looks off on the skin. Could be a little bit more abrasive, so I'll definitely adjust the recipe to be a little bit more abrasive. But otherwise, not bad. Not bad at all. Damn, there it is. Never mind. That abrasive works pretty good.
So overall, it's a great soap. So lathers up great, smells great, the abrasion is just right. Now I think I'm going to add a little bit more abrasion to it, but other than that, very nice, very nice. So like, subscribe, share, because I've got more coming eventually, hopefully soon, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe another week, not sure. But eventually I'm going to have me a tobacco scent. So, still working out the details on that one. But stay tuned.